taking a little walk after lunch before we go out this afternoon down from our hotel. Hotel's a little bit off the main street here and everything, so you have to walk down. Not much going on down here, nobody around. This is on Okan Island in Lake Baikal. I don't know what the village itself is called, but we're gonna, my nose is running again, but we're gonna walk down here and see what there is to see. Okay, this is the road right here. And nobody around. Once in a while you might see a car drive by, or a couple tourist vans, but I guess maybe in the summertime when the lake isn't frozen, get more business, because only the hardy people want to come here in the middle of winter. So, well, I don't think I'm going to walk too far. Not much to see. They said there were some cafes down here, but I'll have to walk up to the top of that hill. I think maybe I'll go back to my room and check email instead here. So, yeah, not much to see here. I think I'm going to turn around. There's part of the town and your cell phone towers, so I guess you got good cell phone reception over here. And this is kind of the edge of town here where the hotel is. So I'll give you a shot of the hotel when we get back there. Okay. Now, up there in the distance, you can see our hotel. See the little steam coming out of the vent from the, it's actually smoke from the wood stove in the restaurant, but we'll walk up and get a little closer then. Okay. Well, that's the Baikal Wood Hotel, right on the edge of town here. If you look on Google, you'll see it's kind of off from everything else, but not that far away, really. So we're staying in the building to the right. The building in the middle is the restaurant. The building on the left, I guess, are the fancy rooms with the sliding glass doors and balconies. We're in the low budget section here. So, all right, we'll get in a little closer then. And there's the gate. This is where we meet our vans right here to pick us up morning and afternoon. We go to the gate. There's a welcome sign up there. You can see the welcome. And the office is to the right. The restaurant's here. This is the back entrance. And we'll take a little walk up here. And once we get up here, here's the office where you check in, right there. That's the front desk in there. Then if you look back over here, that is the restaurant. And this is another fancier building. I guess the high rollers stay there. But the restaurant is right there. And front office in my room, it's in this building here. Okay. This is the entrance area. The front desk is right there. It's very small, not that big. So you check in there. Got a few little souvenirs up there. And luckily I'm here on the first floor, right by the main office, room 2. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.